Welcome to a journey of self-healing through the ancient practice of pranayama. Discover how the simple act of breathing can be a powerful tool for enhancing your well-being. In a world filled with stress and distractions, pranayama offers a path to inner peace and balance. Let's explore the transformative effects of conscious breathwork. Through the rhythmic regulation of breath, pranayama acts as a natural remedy for both the body and mind. Experience the profound connection between breath and healing. Join us as we delve into the various techniques of pranayama, each designed to cleanse, rejuvenate, and revitalize your entire being. Embrace the art of conscious breathing. In the stillness of your breath lies a reservoir of vitality waiting to be tapped. Let pranayama be your guide to unlocking the full potential of your life force. As you synchronize breath with awareness, witness the harmonizing effects it has on your body, mind, and spirit. Experience the unity of breath and well-being.